Last month, I made over $50,000 just helping local business owners get Google reviews. You can see here's our Stripe account. This was May. It says $68,000. I think that's a little high. Honestly, I think it should be lower. This is directly just from our business Review Harvest here. This doesn't have anything to do with the revenue from this YouTube channel or anything like this. And before you freak out and say you're just trying to sell me a course, yeah, I've got a paid community and I've got a free community, but I'm an affiliate to the softwares down below. So if you sign up my link to HighLevel, you'll get access to my paid stuff totally for free. So for zero extra cost to you, I'll give you everything I've learned. But let's actually get into the video because I know you already have your skeptical stuff, right? So first, why are reviews important, right? So if we just do literally any basic Google search, plumbers in Houston, Texas, we'll look there first. You can see up here at the top, this is all paid real estate, baby. These people are paying $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month to Google ads every single month to get their phone to ring, right? And as soon as they quit paying that money to Google, their phone quits ringing. Right? It's not a very great long-term strategy. It's like a faucet. You turn it on, you get leads instantly. You turn it off, you quit spending thousands a month, and you quit getting leads. But if you scroll down a little bit past all these sponsored spots, you see what's called the map pack. This is the spot local business owners want to be, because if you rank here organically, you can rank here for a long time just by doing some very simple things with your reviews, your website, Google Business Profile, and you will get calls and clicks to your website every single day for free, right? A lot of consumers just scroll directly past the ads and go to these organic listings here. You might be one of those people. I know I'm one of those people, right? And if you're in any competitive area whatsoever, you have zero chance of ranking on the first page of Google here in this map pack in the 1, 2, or 3 slot unless you have a bunch of Google reviews. And here's the deal. If you ask any businesses out there, they struggle to get their customers to leave them reviews, right? Their customers tell them to leave a review, but they never do. And the great news is with softwares out there that are today, we can automate this entire process, right? So they can pay us $200, $300 per month just to set up this one automation where we request these reviews for them, follow up all the stuff, and I'll show you how to do that. And they'll just pay you like a utility bill because they don't want to do it themselves. So that's why reviews are so important. Now let's go over how you can get them 100 reviews. This is actually the easy part. So most of these business owners you talk to will have what's called a customer list. It's a list in their database, in their QuickBooks, in their booking system, in their CRM, whatever it is. And it's a list of all the previous customers they've worked with. It'll have their name, email, phone numbers usually. And if they have that list, that is like a gold mine. That is like a gold mine. Customer they've already served. 9 times out of 10, most of those customers are incredibly happy. And so we can turn these 1,000 previous customers they have, or whatever the number is, and we can get about 10 to 15% of them to leave them a review in the first month or two by doing what's called a review reactivation. So we do these review reactivations via text and email where we slowly reach out to all our previous customers and we can send out a personalized image. This is the one that we actually send out for Review Harvest. But instead of just sending out a normal boring text message, please leave us a review if you enjoyed our service, what we can do is we can auto-populate the customer's name on the image right here. And this can be an image of the owner of the business. This can be an image of the service they provide. Anything that can provide some brand recognition for that business will give them a much higher likelihood of them getting a review. Then what we'll do is we'll get integrated into their system so that every single time they get a new customer, it's added to HighLevel into their sub account. We can automatically request that review. And so I'm going to go over how you can get these businesses to pay you. But first, let me show you how simple it really is in HighLevel. And so if you've never used HighLevel before, basically HighLevel has these things called snapshots. So what a snapshot is, it is basically a bunch of automations and templates that you've already built out and you can put together in what's called a snapshot. And so if you sign up my link to HighLevel down below in the description, you'll get an extended 30-day trial instead of the normal 14. You'll get access to my paid community totally for free. And you'll get a link where you can copy all the automations that I've built out from years and years and testing them with hundreds and hundreds of clients. And you can just copy them into your account so that when you onboard a new client, you just follow the videos I've outlined, change some values around, and you can start getting them reviews. Normally, the first time you set it up, it's probably going to take 2 to 3 hours to set up a client. But once you get it rock and rolling, we can set up a client in anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes nowadays. So this is HighLevel. This is a sub account of HighLevel. What you'll do is you'll create a sub account for a new client, and then you'll get them to log in on what's called an onboarding call, right? You'll either hop on a Zoom or you can do this for them like async. If they're on their phone, they can just give you access to the Google Business Profile and the stuff that you need. So you can click on Connect Google Business Profile here. That's what's going to allow us to get their Google review link. That's going to allow us to respond to their reviews. That's going to allow us to turn all their 5-star reviews into social media content. If we see some of the stuff that we're able to do, we're actually not just helping them get reviews. Through HighLevel, what we're able to do is we're able to turn all their 5-star reviews into social media content and post it to their social media for them. We're able to use AI to respond to every single review that they get so they don't have to. And we're also obviously able to automate the process of requesting these reviews. And so that's going to turn into more customers for them because they're going to have a better chance of showing up right here. And not only is it going to turn into more customers, but you're going to end up saving them a bunch of time. And so you can see how this starts to become a really compelling offer for a couple $100s a month. So after they connect their Google Business Profile, what you want to do is you want to go to marketing, you want to click on social planner, and you want to get them to connect their Facebook, Instagram, all that sort of stuff, so we can automatically post these Google reviews onto their story and onto their posts. What you can do is you can use their photos, their logos, their brand colors, all that sort of stuff to create on-brand review posts to share onto their social media. Next thing you'll need to do is you'll need to get that customer list. So you want to ask them, what do you use for booking? What do you use to bill your clients? Do you use a CRM? And you want to help them go to that software and export a CSV file of all those previous customers. Once you do that, you can click on contacts right here, and then you can click on import right here, and you can upload the CSV file so you have all their contacts in there. From there, what we'll do is we'll go to reputation. We'll make sure on settings we have AI review responses turned on. It's a couple cents per review response that HighLevel bills you. So saves you a bunch of time, and it's pretty cheap. And just make sure you have auto review responses turned on. You can also respond to all their previous reviews that they haven't responded to yet. And you can also set up different agents to respond to different reviews. So if you want someone friendly and empathetic to respond to the negative reviews, you go there, you click on empathetic, friendly, you want to say respond to the 2-star or below reviews, and then you can save that, and that way they'll respond to all the negative reviews. And you can set the same thing up for 5-star reviews, etc. From there, I've already set up all the automations that send out the texts and emails to their customers. And so you can see here, we've got all this stuff that you really don't have to worry about too much because I already built it for you. But we have the SMS. It waits 30 seconds, sends another SMS. The reason being there is that when you send 2 text messages like 20 minutes apart, 30 minutes apart, you're basically annoying the customer twice. But if you send it 30 seconds after, normally you can get their phone to buzz again, and it's not as annoying because it's in the customer's eyes, it's seemed as like the same instance. You can send out emails, all that sort of stuff, and all that templates and everything is built out for you. Literally all you have to do is go to settings, go to custom values, and then you just have to fill in the custom values for this customer. So fill in their review link, stuff like that, and the system's ready to go. You also have to get a phone number verified. I have plenty of videos on my channel talking about how to get A2P verified. But from there, you're able to add all their customers into these automations to slowly get them a bunch more reviews. The final thing is you want to do what's called a CRM integration. And so I just posted a video on YouTube how you can integrate HighLevel with using tools like Zapier or CRM Connector. Check out that video on my channel if you aren't familiar with what a CRM integration is. All it's doing is, like I said, when they get a new customer, we want it to automatically be added into HighLevel, and we want to automatically send them a review request and follow up dynamically if they don't leave a review. Then lastly, the part you've all been waiting for, how do you actually get customers? This is the main reason people fail. It's because they're not willing to put themselves out there and let people know they exist. So how I got my first customers was doing this thing called messaging people. So I actually you have this contacts app on your phone. It's kind of crazy. And you have like hundreds and hundreds of people who already know, like, and trust you, right? And so what I did was I sent out this message right here. Hey, I'm starting this thing where I help local businesses get reviews to rank higher on Google, trying to just get some feedback for now, so doing it for free. Do you know any businesses who may be interested? So these are your friends and family. They already know, like, and trust you. That's important. We're not going to solicit them and ask them if they want reviews because they might not even own a business, but even if they do, we're still going to say this. We're soliciting them from a referral. Do they know anybody, right? And so out of that, if you message 300 or 400 people that already know, like, and trust you, you should be able to get your first couple calls, first couple in-person meetings to sell them on this service. And the reason we start for free is because you don't have any reviews, you don't have any testimonials, you don't have any proof that you actually know what you're talking about. And so this is going to allow you to get those reviews, get those case studies. Just say, hey, I'm just doing it for free. I just want feedback. I just love a review if it goes well. And over time, you'll build up the reviews and the case studies so that you can go message colder and colder audiences. And so the next thing I did was I messaged people locally. So if you can, I'd recommend reaching out to people locally, because anytime you do advertising in your local area, whether it's cold outreach, whether it's Facebook ads or anything, your reply rate will go up, your show up rate to the calls will go up, your close rate will go up, and it's because being face-to-face, being local, they just trust you more. There's already a little bit of shared trust because, technically they can come find where you live and get you if you scam them or something like that. I don't know exactly why people trust people in their area so much more, but I think it's just because you can put a name to a face and you actually know they're a little bit more real, right? And so you can send out this script to local businesses. I did this hundreds of times, and I was able to get my next 25, 30 customers after I got my first 5 to 10 from my own phone contacts. Anytime you can just say, hey, can I grab coffee for you or can I buy lunch for you? You're automatically separating yourself from 99.9% of the other people that are messaging them every single day, because they're not getting a lot of local messages. They're getting solicited from people all across the world. So slowly, as you build up video testimonials, reviews, stuff like that, you'll be able to start running Facebook ads. That's how we really kind of blew up and were able to grow fast. If you don't think this works, feel free to check out our website here in our case studies page. They added Ogburn Concrete, added over 130 reviews in 6 months. Poo Squad went from 74 to 423 reviews. Jones Carpet Care went from 30 to 139. Trees Plus got to 300 reviews from 140. All that sort of stuff. You can see these are all video testimonials of people raving about us. And we also have a full-blown YouTube channel where we document every single part of the process with all of our clients and all that sort of stuff. So you can check that out just to show you that this is legit. This is a service that local business owners are willing to pay for. And if you have more questions about getting your first 10 customers, check out this video on my YouTube channel. It goes into a little bit more depth on how to get your first 10 customers. Even if you don't want to just do reviews, right? You want to upsell websites, you want to upsell local SEO, or you just want to add this as a service. What happens is you become a marketing company that says, hey, I'm going to get you reviews. You do this review reactivation and you get them a bunch of reviews because once again, this is the easy part. Getting them a bunch of reviews is just going to happen if they have a client list. And now you are the first marketing business who has ever said they were going to do something and actually delivered. Now you can upsell them to any other plans that you want to provide more value to them as a business owner. In the beginning, when you're getting started, the very, very hardest thing that you have to do is get a local business owner to trust you enough to give you their card information that you can run every single month, right? And so in the beginning, if you want to grow fast, you want to scale, I think it took me like 16 months to get to $23,000 or $24,000 a month in recurring revenue solely from reviews. If you want to scale faster, an easier way to get bigger numbers quicker is to maximize the number of people who already trust you by adding on websites, local SEO, stuff like that. Once again, we didn't add websites and reviews to about like $38,000 or $39,000 a month in recurring revenue. We just added it on. Our revenue has increased a decent amount since then. So if you want to see how we charge thousands of dollars to help local business owners rank on the first page of Google, and if you're like, wow, this guy really just skimmed over the onboarding process for actually getting them the reviews, like the most important part, that's because I recently posted a 45-minute video going over exactly how to onboard a client. I also have an 8-hour video on my YouTube channel that goes over step-by-step every single thing that you have to do. So feel free to check that out as well. I've got a free community down below in the description. If you want to join, totally free. Just put your email in. You'll get access to a lot of the resources that we have. But if you want that template, you want the snapshot, sign up with the link down below in the description to GoHighLevel. You get access to my paid community totally for free. But in the meantime, if you want to see how we upsell our clients into AI SEO, check out this next video here.